All right, so once you have the flower cut already, you're going to have 10 petals or 10 layers. So 4 large and then 2 smaller, 2 smaller, and 2 of the little ones. I'm going to use a wooden dowel. These are like the kebab sticks that you find at the Dollar Tree, or you could use anything of this size. And I'm going to start curling the edges of the petals inside. And then for the smallest one, I'm almost wrapping the whole petal around the dowel. I'm going to use this ballpoint stylus to curve the flower from the middle. This helps the flower curl up, and I like the way the flower assembles when you put them on top of each other, the petals. I'll provide the link for it down below, or you could also use the stick that you were curling the petals with. And I forgot one, so let me just curl that one again. I did record the video very late at night, so I'm sorry about the lighting or if I'm off camera. I wasn't expecting to get so many sales on the flower, and I had to get a video. I was getting a lot of questions on how to assemble the flower. So I'm using hot glue. It's just placing the petals on top of each other, overlapping them a little to the side so they all show. So you start with the larger ones on the bottom, the 4 larger ones, and then you make your way up using the smaller petals. So it's the same process for all of the petals. I just like to make sure that they are not directly on top of each other, but slightly to the side of it. As you get closer to the top ones, you'll see that it's going to be hard to get them to stay. They're going to want to go inside of the other petal, like this one. So just make sure you shift it to the side and hold it down so it could glue. And don't forget to leave a comment telling me what you're going to make with the flower. What are you going to use it for? And of course, I would love to see the project. So go ahead and tag me on Instagram or on TikTok. And of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and save it so you could use it in the future. So for the last 2 petals, I like to really curl them. And the last one, I like to pinch it at the bottom so it could stay closed and it's not opening up too much. And then just glue it to the middle. And here's the final look of the flower after it's all completed. And of course, there's many different ways that you could make the petals by curving them different, and that's going to give you a different look. Or the way I'm doing it here, which is 1 petal up, 1 petal down, 1 petal up, 1 petal down. So it's 3 petals going up and 3 petals going down. And once you put it all together, it gives you a different look. It gives you a more messy look of the flower, maybe more natural. So play around with the petals and see which one you like best and have fun with it.